講起去泰國嘅旅行，大家都會諗起好想住一間好舒服嘅酒店，朝頭早瞓醒食一個好豐富、好好味嘅早餐，又或者想喺一個好靚嘅泳池邊攤唞下、氣下、休息下。呢一集我就會帶大家睇返我近年喺曼谷住過最滿意嘅2間酒店。想睇下我住邊2間酒店？記得睇到最尾啊！今次呢個生日 trip， 我揀咗住喺 Eastin Grand Hotel， 酒店好細心啊，佢 ready 咗個 cake 送俾我。酒店裏面呢係會有2個 infinity pool， 啱晒我好中意游水，喺泳池邊攤唞下氣下，真係好舒服㗎。呢間酒店仲有條天橋連接住 BTS 站，所以去邊都好方便㗎。
Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
尋晚瞓得好好啊，今朝一起身食返一個好豐富、好美味嘅早餐，實在大滿足啊！
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it.
我鍾意佢呢間房有個好大嘅落地玻璃。佢安排咗我哋高層啊，望到一個好開揚嘅市景，超舒服啊！早餐食芒果糯米飯。
I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust.
我哋而家喺酒店嘅30樓 library 睇緊佢嘅黃昏美景。酒店每一日都會有個 happy hour 嘅時間，係免費飲 cocktail 㗎。呢一集曼谷嘅 vlog 又完結咗啦，我哋好快又會出發下一次嘅旅程。想睇到最新最快嘅影片，記得訂閱我，撳下鐘仔啊，順便 follow 埋 IG 啊，裡面有好多旅遊嘅短片睇到㗎。拜拜，下次見啦！